Sunday vlogs ne. So, magbasa adi ay ta. Miscibility.
Dire sa
Oil does not mix with water.
Oil, di daw mag-mix itong idibol. Yang idibol mo ibabaw, ang tubig nilalong. Sige.
Brass is the solid homogeneous mixture. Miscibility. Liquids like vinegar. Soy sauce.
Hindi na soy sauce. Sauce lang na siya. Sauce.
Soy.
Sauce ang pagbasaan.
Soy.
Oo, soy sauce di ay. Sorry. Soy sauce.
Soy sauce and alcohol mix well with water. They are miscible in water, however. Not all liquids can be mixed with water. Oil does do mix with water.
Das dos.
Thus, oil does not mix with water. Tingnan na siya mo, Kristen. When a small amount of
Tarong magbasa.
when a small amount of oil is mixed with water, the oil floats.
Floats. Ano yung floats?
Lutaw.
Lutaw. Yes. Very good. Floats.
On top of the
Saan ang
water.
Ibabaw sa tubig. Okay.
Of the water is little blobs. When so much oil
Gets
gets
spill.
spilled on water, it forms
A layer.
a layer on liquid top of the water. Oil is immiscible
Ano?
in water. Immiscible liquid do not
Liquids. Liquids. Asa naman pinaslang ako ulit? Liquids.
liquids
Asa ta ato?
do not
Form.
form a solution. Top of the
Narata.
liquids liquids are miscible when they dissolve into each other to form a homogeneous mixture. On the other hand, liquids are immiscible when they do not dissolve into each other and do not
Form yun na. Do not form. Form.
Katong isa, asa mo to?
Ano naman? Hindi man tao.
Katong isa, di ba from to yung basa?
From, kung nag-una ang R. Nag-una man ang O.
Form. Homogeneous mixture.
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 Mixture. Ikaw? Mixture.
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 Mixture. Mix.
Asa ta ato ay?
Mix.
Asa ta dapit?
Mixture. An evidence of a
ka ay donut, dili man na donut. Nato sa ubos.
For layers instead of truly mixing.
Be,
Truly.
thoroughly.
Huh.
Thoroughly. Ikaw be? Thoroughly.
Thoroughly mixing. When a solute is dissolved in a solvent,
Okay, go. Diretso ha?
it
Okay. Okay.
its particles are evenly distributed throughout the
Throughout
the solution. And a glass of salt solution. The top part is just as salty and the bottom part
Ano may salty?
together
Wait lang, ano may salty?
or sarap or add together
Wait.
or
Daga.
no.
Haraman tao. Ano tadi? Oh, mo ni siya.
Well,
Sige.
solutions
Green. Ay, kalibli. Ay.
when solutions are left alone, the solute stays dissolved in the solvent. They do not clump
Sige. Narata. Sige.
together or settle and the bottom of
At the bottom.
at the bottom of the container when clapping or
Settling. Oh, settling.
settling happens and make sure is not really a solution but a suspension. You will learn more about suspensions in the next lesson.
Very good.
Other types of homogeneous mixture.
Nada.
Mixture.
Naaginig is again.
Mix. Other types of homogeneous mixtures.
Choose ba? Choose ba?
Mixtures.
B.
A.
Letter E. Letter A.
Sana?
Gaseous.
Gaseous. Area.
Ay, area ba? Ay. Air man na.
Air is a mixture of different kind of
Nalagi is. May balik. Ear.
air is a
Tarang pa, dili man maklaro ang kwan. Sige.
air is a mixture of different kind of gas.
Ha?
Mm.
Gases.
This is our atmosphere or the air surrounding the earth is composed of 78% nitrogen and 21 oxygen.
21%.
21% oxygen. The remaining 1% is made up of carbon dioxide, argon, and many other
Gases.
gases. Since we cannot
gases, siguro
easily
gases.
separate these